Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Miss Vito Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Miss Mo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay singles love reading. So, para ito sa lahat ng Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius na single the moment, looking for love, waiting for their someone special, dumating sa life nila, manifesting a relationship, connection with your person, and manifesting love and love life. Okay? So, kung air sign kayo na in a relationship at the moment, meron kang special someone, and a very good connection with your person, okay, you can either leave this video or stay and watch to support my channel, and baka may air sign kasi kayong kilala na pwede nyo i-relay yung message or share sa kanila. And sana i-like nyo po yung video. It helps the channel grow. At para sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po ang Misty Comunio YouTube channel by subscribing, by liking this video, by writing a comment below for engagement, and for sharing it sa ibang pang air signs na kilala niyo. Okay? So, yan. Magpapasalamat din ako sa support ninyo. Maraming salamat. Sana mag-grow yung aking channel. Dahil pag nag-grow siya, mas marami pa akong love readings na magagawa para sa inyo. Okay, maraming salamat. Okay, sige, bubunot ako ng tatlong cards from this oracle deck at yung tatlong cards na to will be the overall energy ng reading. And from there, later, we'll go deeper sa reading using tarot. So, simulan na natin. First card, aspiration. Second card, luck. And last card, wisdom. So, itong new love coming at itong person coming has this energy of aspiration, luck, and wisdom. Okay, so aspiration, diba? Yung pag aspiration is similar to like aiming something, a goal. Okay? And itong pagdating ng tao sa buhay niyo, itong new love coming, is a fulfillment of something na inaspire mo, inaspire ninyo, or minanifest ninyo, or you prayed for and hoped for. Okay? Sinasabi din dito na pag dumating siya is, alam niyo ito yung gusto ng nung ito yung nasa puso at isipan niyo at gusto niyo mangyari at mag-manifest siya in your life. Itong love life nito, itong person na darating sa buhay niyo. Okay? And sinasabi lang dito na yung person na darating will be, alam mo yun, out of, how would I say, hindi siya yung, not naman out of luck, pero what I trying to say is, itong person na to is something na parang mafe-feel na, oh my God, ang swerte ko naman. Ganon. Gets? Yung ganong energy ba or feeling ba na darating itong person and you will feel very lucky na kayo yung pinili niya, kayo yung minahal niya, okay, among everyone. Then, for example, I can sense na maraming nagkakagusto dito sa person na to. Pero, part of it then yung aspiration energy na you're aspiring na magkaroon ng relationship between the two of you. So I can sense na at this moment, kilala nyo na itong person na to. Okay? Hindi siya yung parang out of the blue darating siya sa buwan. alam niyo na, mina-manifest niyo na magkaroon kayo ng connection or relationship with this person. So, gusto niyo siya and you want to have a romantic relationship with this person. And you will, and once na mangyari yun, you will really feel lucky na sa lahat, kung guy kayo na naliligaw tong girl, sa lahat na naliligaw sa girl, kayo yung sinagot. And if you're girl naman, di ba, sa lahat din nung parang nagkakagusto sa person na to, kayo yung niligawan. Okay, so and it's same din siya if it's a same gender relationship, di ba? Sa dami-dami ng mga nakapaligid, nagpaparamdam, kayo yung pinursu. So you will really feel lucky. And itong person na to, there's so much wisdom dahil, alam mo yun, yung person na darating na magkakaroon kayo ng relationship with, very, ano siya, very wise in a sense na marami na siyang napagdaan in the past. And from there, ang dami niyang learnings, lesson learned, not just from romantic relationships niya in the past, but also from platonic and familial relationship, na naipon yun, yung mga learnings na yun, and yung mga experiences na yun that made this person wiser. Okay? And yung wisdom na yun is i-apply niya sa relationship ninyo. Okay? Kaya pinipili ka niya kasi nakita niya yung sa'yo, yung mga bagay na from the past is hindi niya nakita. Okay, yung mga learnings niya. So, alam na rin niya kung ano yung gusto niya sa isang relasyon. Alam na niya kung ano yung dapat at hindi dapat gawin, kung ano yung meron o wala sa isang relasyon. And nakita niya sa iyo yung potential of what he or she wants in a relationship dahil sa mga experiences niya in the past. And when you, kapag kausap nitong tao na to, there's no dull moment kasi you'll have smart conversations with this person. Ang dami niyang uh, ma-share sa iyo that would also add to your own growth and to the growth of the relationship. Okay, so napakaganda ng energy. So what I'm going to do, first, i-claim nyo itong energy, aspiration, luck, and wisdom. So I will project this energy papunta sa inyo and will manifest this energy with you. So all you have to do is claim and accept this energy and seal nyo yung energy by commenting sa baba, aspiration, luck, and wisdom. Commenting na below kasi this will be our energy exchange. I will project this energy and will manifest this with you. But, kailan nyo siya accept? Kasi kung hindi, dadaan lang siya. Okay? Or, lilipas lang siya. Okay? All you have to do is train. Train this energy. Lalo na kung nagre-resonate sa inyo to. And if you really want this to fully manifest in your love life, in your life, train nyo na. Alright? And along with your own manifestation, manifest this energy of aspiration, love, and wisdom. Okay, so now tignan natin ano yung details ng energy na to, yung overall energy na to, using tarot, at bakit ito yung lumabas. So tingnan natin yung magiging story between you and your person. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong i-remind ng lahat that this is a collective reading. So it may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay? Pwedeng hindi ko na tap yung energy ninyo. So kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. I'm tapping sa lahat ng air signs. So kung hindi ko na-tap yung energy ninyo, abangan nyo na rin mga susunod ko pa ng love reading, baka mag-resonate na sa inyo. Or watch the other videos na nakapost sa aking channel, baka isa doon mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? Ayan. And I would like to invite everyone, kung gusto niyo na mas align sa inyo at sa energy ninyo yung reading, you can book a personal and private reading sa akin. Yung detalye, you can inquire naman. Nandiyan naman sa description box yung email address ko. Send nyo lang ako ng email. Okay? Write lang kayo ng email and I will respond naman. right away. Okay? Para mas align din. Okay. So, yeah, bubunutin ko yung third card din from this deck. And let's interpret it. Okay. Simulan na natin. First card, Nine of Pentacles. Second card, Seven of Swords. Third card, Ace of Pentacles. Fourth card, Three of Cups. Fifth card, the High Priestess. Sixth card, Five of Swords. Seventh card, Seven of Cups. And last card, Ten of Wands. And bottom of the deck, Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So something that you won't see or naka-hide siya, kaya will happen is the Wheel of Fortune. But first, before we proceed to that, okay, there's a strong energy of um, Cancer, Pisces, okay, and Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius. So, pwede nyo yung signs ng person ninyo. Doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. And if ever, pwede rin naman ibang signs. Pero you have to check yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements ng person ninyo. Okay, baka dun sa mga nabanggit ko yung signs. Alright? Okay, sige, simulan na natin. Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so ito, yung Nine of Pentacles, it's yung current energy ninyo, being free, single, walang any commitments with anyone, okay? And very independent, very secure, okay? But we all know that you're manifesting love life in your life. Okay? Siyempre, kayo din yung tao na gusto ng someone in your life. Kaya, medyo sa Seven of Swords, parang ang tinatry niyo project dito. Okay, you try to manipulate the situation na hindi, okay lang ako na single ako. Pero alam niyo deep inside, deep in your heart, in your mind, that you're aspiring, okay, uh, love, and you're aspiring, yung aspiration niyo is to have a long-term relationship with someone who will love you and uh, you will love, okay, equally naman, diba? Alright, so, and yun na, darating tong person na to that would, that has this energy of security din. So, pareho naman kayo secure, but this person will um, show yung effort and na mag-i-invest siya na gusto niyang ipulsuka at mag-invest sa relationship. Okay? To the point nga na parang, uy, mafe-feel mo na parang, ay, ang swerte ko naman, ako yung pinili. Okay, and then this Three of Cups energy, as you can see, it will start as a friendship connection. What I mean is it will start as a platonic relationship that will grow and develop into something romantic. And ito, pag kasama tong tao na to, just happy moments lang. And susuportahan ka niya sa mga endeavors mo, mga plans mo. Okay? And as I've said earlier, itong tao na to has uh, this wisdom on what and what not to do in a relationship. Diba? Ano yung mga kailangan, ano yung mga hindi. And you will grow with this person. And I can sense na madedevelop yung feelings ninyo sa isa't isa. Okay? Something that you really aspire. And itong high priestess lang is, there's this, ano lang naman, uh, energy of having, you'll have a deep connection with this person. Although, syempre, nasa getting to know stage kayo, part of it is parang, may mystery na that will unfold along the way. Okay? And as I can see here, then sa relationship ninyo, na yung meron lang uh, may konting conflict lang when it comes to what I can see here. Wait lang, i-connect natin siya with Seven of Cups. Um, may may internal conflict lang sa'yo. Okay? It's not a conflict between you and this person, but it's something internal. Internal conflict. Kasi nag-connect siya with Seven of Cups. Eh. And Seven of Cups is a card of indecision. Something na parang uh, meron kang, alam mo yun, pinagpipilian mo kasi kung you'll stay as this Nine of Pentacles, someone independent, free, diba, and happy being single. Or, nagko-conflict yung sa parang in reality, alam mo sa puso at isipan mo na gusto mo ng relationship with someone. Pero in reality, pag dumating na tong tao na to at nade-develop ka na, at nagkaka-develop na kayo, parang ikaw naman, parang, uh, gusto ko ba talaga to? Magagawa ko pa kaya yung mga gusto kong gawin in the past? Alam mo, yes. Alam mo kung bakit. I mean, Wheel of Fortune lumabas. Because first, as I've said, itong person na darating sa life mo, full of wisdom siya. Alam niya. Alam niya yung mga kailangan sa relasyon. Kung may mga plans ka, dreams ka in life, first, the Three of Cups is a card of support. So, supportahan niya yun. Okay? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip na parang, ay, magagawa ko pa ba ito or hindi na pag nag-commit ako sa relasyon. Magagawa mo pa rin siya. Okay? Kasi, yan. So, itong indecision. Kasi, you really have to decide. Okay? Kailangan mag-decide ka. Kasi mag-turn siya into something burden in your, alam mo yun, internally. Magiging burden siya sa'yo internally. Okay? Kasi, hindi siya ma-resolve. So, kailangan mo siyang i-resolve para ma-offload mo siya sa mga isipin mo. Okay? Kasi, itong tao na to is really someone that you aspire. Okay? Someone na, alam mo yun, it's a rare opportunity. Itong Wheel of Fortune, it's well, you're fortunate. It's the energy of luck. Wheel of Fortune, hindi mo nakikita kasi baka, ito, again, it's under bottom of the deck. So, ito, parang, pag dumating itong tao na ito yung parang scenario na nakikita mo. But, actually, sa ilalim, it's really a rare opportunity that hindi mo dapat palampasin. Okay? Some more, yun na, energy of luck, wheel of fortune. Okay? It's also a relationship that has this energy of being meant to be. Okay? So, yeah, pero again, use this reading as a guidance. Use this reading with discernment. Okay, nasa kamay niyo pa rin yung kapalaran ninyo. Okay? So, this energy, ito lang again yung nakukuha ko from the collective. So, you can take it or leave it. Pero, again, I hope this helps when it comes to the point na na-experience nyo or na-experience nyo na to with your person or sa new love na darating. Okay? Ayan. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Okay, maraming salamat muli sa support. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay, dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Miss Pico Moreno or in short, Miss Mo. Kita hits. Ingat.